In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset your chat in Talkie AI. Resetting a chat clears the conversation history in a single thread, so you can start fresh with the same character or assistant. This is helpful if a conversation has gone off track, or if you want a clean slate without changing any settings. Start by opening your preferred web browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type Talkie AI. You should see the official Talkie AI site appear in the results. Click into the website. If you're prompted to sign in, go ahead and do that so you can access your conversations. A quick tip: you can also navigate directly by typing the site address into your browser, but using Google is a simple way to get there. Once you're on the site, look for the area that shows your chats. Click on your chats to view your existing conversations. If you have multiple threads, select the one you want to reset. Keep in mind that resetting will only affect the chat you have open, not your entire account. With the chat open, move your cursor over the grid icon, sometimes shown as a small grid or a More Options icon near the top of the chat panel. Hovering reveals additional actions that aren't always visible by default. If you don't see it right away, try moving your mouse near the chat title or the top right corner of the chat window until the icon appears. From the options that appear, click Reset. This is the command that clears the conversation history of the current chat. Before anything is deleted, you'll see a confirmation prompt. This is there to prevent accidental resets. To finish, click Reset again in the confirmation dialog to confirm. After you confirm, the chat will refresh, and the previous messages in that thread will be cleared. You'll be left with a blank conversation window, ready to start a new exchange with the same assistant. The change is immediate and typically can't be undone, so make sure you're resetting the correct chat. A couple of quick tips before you move on. If there are important messages you might need later, consider copying them somewhere safe before you reset. If the reset option doesn't show up, try hovering again, checking that you're in the correct chat, or refreshing the page. On mobile, the flow is similar, though menus may appear behind a small options icon. That's it. You've successfully reset your chat in Talkie AI and can now start fresh whenever you need a clean conversation.